In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Mailchimp using the best method available. If you've been wondering how to effectively set up a contact form in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it easy to follow even if you're new to Mailchimp. First things first, let's get logged in. Head over to mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From there, navigate to the audience section, then click on Audience Dashboard. It's time to select the audience you'll be associating with your new contact form. If you haven't set up an audience yet, you can take a moment to create one. Just follow the simple prompts to set up your target audience within Mailchimp. Next, let's access the form builder. To do this, go to the Forms section and click on Other Forms. Here, look for the Form Builder option and give that a click. You'll be presented with a drop-down menu. Select Sign Up Form. This option will serve as the foundation for your contact form and is customizable to suit your needs. Now, let's dive into the customization part, which allows you to tailor your form. You can drag and drop various fields like name, email, and phone number, or even add any custom fields that are important for your particular needs. Once you've added the necessary fields, click on each one to edit its label, description, and set the visibility options to ensure that the information collected aligns with your requirements. To style the form so it matches your brand, switch over to the Design It tab. Here, you can adjust colors, choose your fonts, and set button styles. This is a fantastic way to ensure that your new contact form seamlessly blends with your existing website or marketing materials. If you need to adjust form text for different languages, head over to the Translate It tab, where you can add translations or tweak text to accommodate a global audience. Once the form is looking exactly how you want it, it's time to share it. Click on View Code or Share URL. You have a few options here for sharing. You can use the form URL to distribute the link via social media, email, or another platform. Alternatively, you can generate a QR code for easy access, or use the embed code to integrate the form directly into your website's HTML. Finally, it's crucial to test your form, so open the form URL and submit a test entry. This helps ensure that everything works smoothly. Double check that all submissions correctly appear under your Mailchimp audience to verify that your setup is complete. And there you have it, a fully functional, customized contact form in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Mailchimp journey a bit simpler. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.